you should have some ideas of how you show kindness to others in your life using the previous slide. So, if you can think of things, use the slide before to help you. Now we are going to click here to go to our Padlet and share our different ideas. Okay, so the first question was, how do you show kindness? So we're not clicking over here just yet. We will get there. So how do you show kindness? Well, we can look at Miss Nelson's example. One way I show kindness is by making people smile when they are sad. Okay, I took a picture. If there is something that you do that you have a picture of that you want to add, or maybe you wanted to record yourself, that's where you can add it. Okay, so just like before, we're going to click add. Make sure that you're logged in so your name shows up. You can title it with your name as well, and then you can just write what is something that you do personally to spread kindness to others. Okay, and then all of these different links are different links if you want to take a picture and stuff like that. Hope that helps.